Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to loop through multiple lists. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a function called person job. Okay, so the person here, I'm going to give them some names. I'm going to create a little list. So that's going to be Dave, Joe, and Bill. Okay, I'm going to create a list of jobs. So job equals teacher, policeman, and cook. Okay, so now we're going to create a for loop to go through these. So for P here, P is going to represent person, and J, which is going to represent job, in zip, and we're going to have to pass person and job into here. Okay, and now we're going to format the strings that we're going to print out. Quite easy to do. So we're going to print, and we use the F for the format first, and in curly brackets, curly braces, we're going to put P, which is for the person. P is A. And then we're going to do J in curly brackets, which is job. Okay. Right, now all we have to do is call it. So we're going to call it by person job. Okay. And then save it, and let's loop through these two, shall we? Oh dear. Little bit of a problem there. Let's fix this. Okay, simple little typo there. I put a full stop instead of a comma. So let's just save that. Let's run it again. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Dave is a teacher, Joe is a policeman, Bill is a cook. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you've not done so already, hit that subscribe button. It will really help the channel out. And you know, if you're feeling up to it, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.